welcome back to my channel. I am super excited about today's video because today the theme is ugly Christmas sweaters, as you can see. So in this video I show you two different DIY ugly Christmas sweaters that can be made for $20 or less. And when it comes to designing these sweaters, I pretty much just have two rules. The first is that I want it to be super cheap because generally I'm gonna wear it one time, flick it up for Instagram, you know, take some selfies in it and then just throw it away or give it away. And then the second thing is that you want it to be fun and creative. So if you want to see my two DIY ugly Christmas sweater looks, then please stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's get to the video. So the first sweater that I'm wearing actually belongs to my mom. Every year my mom hosts a Christmas Eve party for our family at our house, and one of the years the theme was ugly Christmas sweaters, and she made this one. Thank you, mama! But the sweater was purchased from Goodwill for $3, and then everything else came from the Dollar Tree, or it was just stuff that she had laying around at home. First thing I want to show you is this Santa Claus ornament that is stitched on. It's a little gingerbread man, little rhinestones, and a silver pipe cleaner. At the bottom there are little Christmas trees. This is a mini stocking. At the very top there's 3 foam snowflakes, and then there's a Christmas card. It's so funny because it was actually signed by her boss. Underneath that there's 2 candy canes that were made from pipe cleaners, 2 green Christmas wreaths that she made out of the plastic material that you would get if you went to a luau, and then she put these little foam balls on top for decoration. So underneath that is a snowman. I don't know if that's a Christmas ornament or a door hanger, but there's a snowman there. Towards the bottom of the sweater there are 2 bows that are just safety pinned to the sweater. There's another blue foam snowflake. On the sleeve she hot glued gold tassel, and then there's also a little green ball like a Christmas ornament. There's 3 white cotton balls. I don't even know what this is, honestly. She made this up. Other side pretty much has the same thing. But my favorite part about this sweater is the back. There are the little foam snowflakes at the top, but then there is a full-on Christmas tree. This little dove. Where if I move, the dove flies. And then there are a few more ornaments hanging from the bottom. But there it is in detail. Okay, so this next look is a jacket that I made for my family's ugly Christmas sweater party. This little cape style jacket came from Goodwill, and then all of the decorations on it came from the Dollar Tree. So I pretty much bedazzled the collar by just gluing on these green gems. I added these little miniature green bows. All of the decorations on my jacket are curled up because I had it bought up in a plastic bag and a storage tote in the basement. But we're gonna try to work with what I got here. So you'll see a bunch of little foam snowflakes that I glued colored cotton balls in the center of. I also have a few spiral pipe cleaners glued here. They must have fallen off between the time I actually wore it and today. This is one of my favorite pieces on my jacket. It's a little gingerbread cookie looking snowman. He has bells in his hat. And this was actually a door hanger. So I cut off the circle metal frame that you would use as a door hanger, and then I just added him as a big embellishment on my jacket. On the sides of my jacket I have these gold bows that I got from my mom, some old Christmas decor. So just 2 bows on each side of my sleeves. I also have a snowman that used to be a door hanger. Black trim that says ho ho ho. So this is my semi-ugly DIY Christmas sweater that's really a jacket because I couldn't follow the rules and I like doing too much. So, well, that's it for this video, but before you go, please leave me a comment below and let me know which little decoration on the sweaters was your favorite. Also, if you have an ugly Christmas sweater party coming up, but you don't have the time, energy, or aspiration to make your own Christmas sweater, please stay tuned for my next video, which will be me shopping at a bunch of different stores showing you my favorite pre-made ugly Christmas sweaters. So, if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you love this video, share it with other people. Before you go, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, so in this video, I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. And I'll show you 2 different, I guess that looks like 4 different. It's supposed to be 2 different. Start over. And when it comes to making ugly Christmas sweaters, I just have 2 rules, 4 rules, 2 rules. It's a jacket that I made for my, why is my throat so dry today?